what's up? It's me, Franny. Today's video is going to be a vlog, kind of like a productive day in my life, follow me around type of thing. I don't know, I feel like vlogging today because I'm going to boxing, actually. I'm gonna be cooking myself up some good food later. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have y'all come along with me on what a day when I'm trying to be productive looks like, I guess. Yeah, that's why my hair's in like a weird bun because I'm actually on my way to go box. I see my boxing coach probably twice a month. I don't see him that often. I do see my other trainer about 2 times a week. I know a lot of you guys ask about that. I'm actually on my way to pick up Kian. I asked Kian if he wanted to come box with me and he said yes. So I'm gonna go pick him up and then we're gonna head to boxing together. I guess I'll see where my day takes me. Alright guys, so we're walking up to boxing now. I'm with Kian. I picked him up. I don't know how I convinced him to come.
Ready.
But he's coming. And
we're gonna box each other for an hour.
The end of this?
No, we're just gonna box each other the whole time. I probably won't last that long, but
yeah, just one punch to the face and he knocks out. He's really sleepy too, so
I'm sleepy.
I think I would win. You think I would win?
In a boxing match?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Exactly. Anyways, yeah, we're walking up to boxing. Why?
I don't know, I'm not scared, I'm just nervous.
I told my boxing coach to kick his ass.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did. I'll show you the text. I said, make sure you kick his ass tomorrow.
He fights me.
I don't know how much I'm gonna film of this. Maybe like a little montage, but should be interesting.
Are you a good boxer?
Yes.
Are you really?
Yeah. You haven't seen my boxing videos on Instagram?
No.
Yes, you have.
No, I have
Stop
not.
lying.
I have.
Yes, you have.
Box this guy then, box Josh.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe I could box you.
Him?
No, I could box you.
No, you cannot.
Actually, no, you have long arms. I'd probably lose, but I'm probably quicker. Down this alley.
Oh, it's down in the alley. Oh, isn't that big black garage right there too? Yeah. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Are you fucking kidding me?
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights.
Ready, go! Go, 5 seconds. Up, just like last time.
We're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying.
Hey guys, so my camera broke in the middle of the session. I don't even know if my intro is in there still, so I'm filming on my phone. And how was boxing?
So easy, I'm probably just gonna go pro tomorrow.
Guys,
it was fucking hard. I haven't done that in a really long time.
We're sweating.
I want to see Bobby in there.
I know, I'm gonna bring all of you guys in there. Ian wants to run to the car now. Do you wanna run?
Yeah, but where's the car?
Down the block?
Yeah, I'm down, but it's not that far. Are we sprinting or jogging? Damn.
Alright guys, we just got back from boxing, but
Franny, did you just fart?
Yeah.
Franny just farted like that.
Ian, you did good.
Thanks, Mom. Hey, it's
Okay.
Franny.
Anyways,
Screenshot.
so Bob,
What's up, Franny? Do you have a question?
what was released today?
My new song, Only You, on Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music. Go stream it. Link down below. The first link in this video.
Woohoo!
Only You. Do you like it, Franny, or no?
I love it.
You love it?
I really really
What's
do.
your favorite thing about it?
I like the drop.
You like the drop?
Yeah.
Did you listen to it a few
I
times?
have. I've listened to it a few times this morning. I showed my mom. My mom really liked it.
Whoa. Guys, that's genuine. That's not just saying it, you know? So you guys might want to go and...
Sorry.
Something flew out on me when you burped. So you guys should go stream it out, please. Just search my name, Bobby Mares. Bobby Mares, only you. It's just a U instead of the word you. Creative.
Did you just wake up?
Yeah. No, I've been grinding since the AM. Did you just wake up?
No, I got up at 8:30, went boxing, kicked some ass, and now I'm here.
Do you believe in violence? Self-defense is what you believe in, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Zoom out.
That pimple.
Zoom out. And only you merch out right now, fanjoy.co/Bobby. I mean, you could check it out. It's probably the best. I wrote the lyrics out on the iPad that she gave me for her birthday.
Yeah.
For my birthday.
I'm gonna head home now.
Where are you home?
I'm not. I don't live here.
You didn't tell them yet?
No.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna head home now because I'm sweaty. I need a shower. Do I smell, Bob? Ew, what's wrong with you? Ew!
It's like a baby's diaper.
Ew! What's wrong with you? You're so nasty. Corey, look who it is!
Look, you really touched his heart.
So I'm gonna head home now, continue on with my day, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. Bye! Alright guys, so I am finally back home. It is a little later in the day. So after boxing, I went to the boys' house. I hung out there for a little bit, but I got home, I showered, my hair is still drying, it's still damp and stuff. Got home and cooked because I was extremely hungry. I was very hungry. Before I go any further into this video, I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring this video and just talk about HelloFresh for a little bit and show you guys me cooking the food and enjoying it. So basically, if you guys don't know what HelloFresh is, it is a service that delivers meals to you weekly. And these meals that are literally delivered right to your doorstep, they're seasonal, simple recipes. All the ingredients are perfectly measured in the meal packet, so you don't have to go off and figure out this or that or whatever. Everything is literally laid out right in front of you, super easy. It is not hard at all. And what's really cool about HelloFresh, they give you some options. So they have the classic meal options. So those are the normal meals that they have, which are really, really good. They also have veggie meals for vegetarians. So if you're not a meat eater, you can get the veggie meals. And then they have the family meals. They will send you more food, larger quantity for your whole family, which is probably really convenient, you know, because if I was a mother and I had to feed a feast of 4 to 6 people, it would be nice just to have everything already measured, ready to go in the fridge, and boom, 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 boom. And you'll definitely spend a lot less time meal planning and grocery shopping throughout the week. You can put that time towards something else that you really like to do. These meals take about 30 minutes to make. The cleanup is very minimal because everything already comes in packaging. Majority of the packaging you're just kind of tossing away, wiping down the counter, and you're good. And what's really cool is you're kind of coming out of your comfort zone, I feel like, when you're stepping into the kitchen, because for me, I like to cook, but I don't go in there thinking I'm gonna make some crazy gourmet meal. You know, I usually step in there and make, okay, let me make some chicken rice and whatever and carrots, and you're just kind of, okay, whatever, I'll season a little bit. But like with this, you can get kind of fancy and make like really cool like sauces and really tasty couscous or rice or broccoli, just stuff like that. And I think the sauces is what really gets me, is the whole seasoning and just the little things you add to the recipe that just makes it really good. Overall, it is just a very, very easy way to cook and to get fancy with it. And what I really like is that with the meals come a super easy recipe card. Like literally tells you exactly what to do, exactly how much to put in. It shows you what everything should look like. So that's where you can't go wrong, because sometimes I get scared of cooking meat and stuff because I'm never sure of how long I should cook it for. This shows you what it's supposed to look like, tells you how long to cook it for, and it tells you the internal temperature of the meat. If you have a thermometer to stick in there, it will tell you how hot it should be inside before eating it. What I made today for lunch, dinner type of thing, I had cherry balsamic pork chops with garlic herb couscous and roasted broccoli. And guys, let me tell you, it is so good. It's my first time having this and it was so good. It's just convenient, you know? It's a very convenient thing. It's cool, you know, it tells you your calories, how much you're eating, prep time for it. HelloFresh is now from $6.99 a serving, and you can get 8 free meals if you go on HelloFresh.com and use code Franny Arrieta 80 for a total of $80 off of your first month. So I hope you guys go and check it out. I'm gonna leave the link and the code down below as well, so y'all can go and check that out. I ate, I am full, I feel good, the food was delicious. So to continue on with my day, I honestly am not sure where this vlog is going today. I was thinking of making it like a productive day type of vlog. I was planning on, you know, maybe practicing the guitar. Maybe I can just practice the guitar a little bit, show y'all what I do when I practice. I was gonna read a little bit. Oh my god, guys, I want to talk about boxing this morning. Boxing was just so much fun. I brought Kian with me today. I've only brought Christina with me before, but yeah, I brought Kian with me this time. I asked him if he wanted to go. He said yes, let's do it. He said he really enjoyed it. He has only boxed, I think, a few times before, not that much. He was getting it down. He was picking it up. I mean, boxing is hard. I've been doing it on and off. Like when I'm on, I'm pretty consistent with it, but I've been going on and off for about 2 years now boxing. So I know how to box. You know, when my trainer is telling me what to do, he's like 2-3-2 or 2-3 hook, automatically runs in my head and I know what to do. Kian was doing really well. I'm super proud of him. He got his ass kicked by Josh. Josh is my kickboxing coach. I guess I'll figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day and I will bring y'all along with me. I don't think I'm gonna wear any makeup, FYI, because I'm breaking out. Well, I broke out and it's kind of just slowly going away. I broke out right here, around my hair. You know, I've been just trying to really not wear makeup, especially when I break out. Even though that's like when you wanna wear makeup, but that's when you shouldn't. I've gotten to the point that I don't care. I don't care if I have pimples. I don't care if people see me with pimples because pimples are normal. If you have perfect skin, well, good for you. I just want to talk to you guys about music real quick because everyone keeps asking me, Franny, when is music being released? Franny, when is your song being released? I can't say when. It's already the end of June, so we only have 2 more months of summer left, so it's gonna be within the next month or 2 that I will be releasing my next single. I feel like the artist that I was last year isn't even her anymore. Like, I am just a completely, like, this is me. Like, this is what I want everyone to know me as, a music artist, when I come out and show y'all. Like, everything, to looks, to outfits, to creative, to video, everything. This is me 110% and I can't wait for y'all to see it. It's like super exciting. So I just want to say that real quick to you guys. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do and then I'll bring y'all along.
I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I...
Emily's calling me. Hello, Emily.
Hello, Francesca.
Hello, Emily. How are you doing today?
I am doing wonderful, darling. How are you doing?
Told ya soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs.
It's literally been a good amount of time and I practiced / played guitar. I read. I journaled. What I've been trying to do is journal a lot more. I've been trying to write down how my day's going, how I'm feeling, and stuff like that. So I journal, answered some emails, answered some texts. So I'm actually waiting for my mom to get home because I think we're gonna go through her closet or my closet. We're actually gonna be giving away some clothes to my friend's mom because she sends the clothes to Venezuela. We're gonna go through our clothes. I guess make a little pile of that. Alright guys, so actually I'm gonna go and walk out my dog right now with my mom. Say hi!
Lollies, I need to get Lola ready to go outside.
Sit down. Yeah, she knows how to sit, people. Paticas in the thing. Just getting a little thick. Alright guys, let's get it. So I'm walking out Lola right now with my mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi everybody. So we're walking out Lola right now. I think afterwards we're gonna, like I said before, we're gonna go through some clothes that we want to send to Venezuela. I feel like it's been a pretty productive day. Mom, would you say it was productive?
Very productive day.
Yeah, we're gonna finish walking Lola. Kind of in the mood for ice cream, Mom. I want ice cream. Today's been a good day. I'm kind of getting tired though.
Beachy. Hi, Beachy. Hi, Beachy. Say hi, Beachy.
Can you love me? I think the hat's throwing her off, to be honest with you. Yeah, yeah. Come to me, I love you so much, baby, I love you. I think she doesn't like the hat.
I once felt I'm done with the defense.
Oh my god, guys. Real freaking quick, I want to show you something. So I'm giving these away because they just don't fit me anymore. These are the pajama pants I made in high school. I was in fashion design for 2 years or 3 years in high school. I made pajama pants. I also made a dress. I made a few things, but I don't know where they are, to be honest with you. But I'm giving these away just because they don't fit me and someone else could use them. I made these pajama pants. Guys, like I made these out of like just straight fabric. Like I bought fabric from a store and I made these. Like they have an elastic on them. I hemmed them. Like the stitching and stuff is like, it's actually not bad. Like it's nice. These are the pajama pants I made in high school. I think I was a freshman. I don't know. I guess it's kind of cute, but it's time for me to give them away. It was a nice run that I'd share. All right, let's keep going. So I just packed up a box of things to send to Venezuela. It's kind of the thing that I try to do every few months, especially when I buy clothes. I always want to recycle stuff out of my closet. So whenever I bring in new clothes, I always take some out. Things that are similar, things that I just know that I'm not using really much anymore, and just knowing that someone else can use them and need them more than I do. I always feel good when I take clothes out of my closet because I'm like, ooh, I feel fresh. I think I'm gonna go have ice cream now. Like I really want it real badly. Alright guys, so I think this is, sorry, I have chocolate in my mouth because I'm eating ice cream. I think, out of breath, hold on. I think, how many times am I gonna say I think? What do I think, Franny? I don't know. I'm talking to myself. So guys, I think this is the end of my video. I did so much today, but it was productive. It was a very productive day in my life video. This is honestly kind of I feel like a very realistic day in my life. I mean, I did film today, but when I'm not filming and like behind the scenes, this is really what I do. I mean, I normally try and work out in the morning, whether it's with my trainer, I do some cardio on my own, I go on a hike on my own, I go boxing, whatever. I try and hit the gym in the morning, and then usually when I get home, I shower, I eat, I'll read, practice guitar, do some vocal exercises, I'll journal. I cleaned out my closet a little bit, packed up some stuff. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do the rest of the night. I might meet up with friends for dinner. Like I said, I think I'm supposed to meet up with Emily later. We might go get dinner. It's like 7 o'clock and we're gonna get dinner I think around 9. And I'm having ice cream. I'm gonna eat in 2 hours. I deserve this ice cream. It's so good. Mint chocolate chip. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video again. Like I said, thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. I had a lot of fun cooking and trying out that new recipe. It was absolutely delicious. It was perfecto. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly what I do. Do not forget to subscribe. Go and get your Franny pack, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.